Therefore, me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. And there woko Subin, the MP for Subin, your friend no, Mr. Eugene Wachi Entry. Na ensamaba every Subin ho. Na Mr. Eugene Wachi Entry no, he actually doubles as the Deputy Works and Housing Minister. Na wano any the chairman for the Ashanti Regional MPP. Chairman Wontumi plus some other people. Court. Womonsem aba court. Court in Kratemwa. Yanshwe ya. Yebechi omo for contempt. Mr. If today is your first time here, subscribe and click the notification bell. So we understand latest news no ba. Wonsa ebeka. Na nini na no metretre mu nsem nini nini so. Na wobia ati aseye. There are some people in so amebubu mudin and krata. Court and krata bankrofu yabo mudin say woman, so they have to appear in front of the court. Now woman answer as to why court emma order say ma primaries and koso was subin, ma election and koso was subino and crofona still woman call so yes, on Friday June 21st they see here and I say 51 delegates woman was subin constituency ho woman member delegates needing 51 delegates including one Isaac Nimakon. Abrante bin so friend Richard Owusu Inti, Abrante bin so friend ya Boafo. Womo a secure injunction. Injunction no dey na ya na say it was refraining the party from doing the election, and it was refraining the party's election committee from organizing the primaries, from holding the primaries. It was Subin Huankasa, and yet the whole of Ashanti region. So it was around that time na NPP for primaries no. It is not Subin constituency ho na 51 delegates at the assembly akọ court ama court at the injunction ato sa Subin primaries no so on June 21st. Now so the esi na unim court granted injunction no. The injunction was granted by a Kumasi High Court. Now court granted injunction no, the injunction was supposed to be effective from Friday to Monday. At year 22nd June. Because 21st June and no more court. Intino na I was a injunction no ya de tiaso. But you see here and say Friday inti on Thursday June 24th. No, before Saturday ne krano. Day na wo moko holdi Saturday junction na injunction ne by Saturday and MPP for year primaries. Even though na injunction e wo no still Subin no primaries no eba so wobeka ya embrace that time the primaries ne ba so no nkrofo sha sese wo mo kan say eh we dia yan hwe ne ya contempt enti afei e na twese ensem no eba abonten na wo hwe injunction a court no e de ba ya wo say it is hereby ordered that the respondent and all persons claiming through the respondent EC refrain from holding the election scheduled to take place on Saturday. The court ruled. Court ni ruling na whatever and say wa order say Saturday no. Ye the injunction ato ruling so. Ye the injunction ato election so. Court ruling by the injunction ato election is Subin no mayen holding election, but on the Saturday election went on. And my election now a course for Krano, the current MP we need by over 70%. Munti Assembly you. The current MP we need by over 70%. Now before that no. Na nipakra say wono any sa current MP na standing enya asem a man court in sense when you by now we pull it out of the election. Now we pull it out of the matter. Asem no e sha say eba no che say ase emba enye but the bakono onu hu say ase wo mo kwa akoye primaries no. But one no sanso ginemu a na tre say one nso hu no say da bi ono nso etumi chi for contempt into pull it out and them. But the Nipakwe air can and say the MP and the rest of the executives of Omo Subin constituency, they were instrumental in organizing the Subin primary, which was in clear violation of the orders of the courts. No one said no. Nipakwe na one no air contest and send by a friend Joseph Boache Dankwa. You pull it out, no. A friend Joseph Boache Dankwa because one of they were say court and send wo. But not MP, any constituency executives, no. Omun fee, omun say that. Omo de omu kuswa eye election, no. Now you see the bailiffs of a year the courts, no, they found a very tough time with serving the motion of notice, seeking a year's contempt in sense we are abasis ye. Now for you who more best serve contempt, no. Into on my hand say the regional secretariat of the MPP and the Subin constituency office on my hand say bailiffs, no. Akwa ko paste the sermons ewo ho. It's a no to make us a who ye. Na kwa ko paste the sermons contempt in sense no. Ewo the regional MPP regional Ashanti regional secretariat ho and a Subin constituency ho. It's the executives no yabo chairman won to me din a year MP no so ni din abem se nkrofo ya nhwe ni ya wo mo aso be hye contempt of court. Nini na no some other party officials and so in Kratane said they should also avail themselves. Now Wamudini Patrick Champong were the Ashanti Regional Director of Research and Election. Omunomo organize the election no into no so quarter boni din. Say by the saying na ye den krata ba say mamo nye election e wo Subin muku so a eyeye. The Subin constituency chairman I friend Michael Edusei Bunsu wono nso saa no ankasa ne secretary I friend no Akuamwa Boating womo nso saa won nkrofo we ni ya nkrofo court nkrata ahye said they have to avail themselves for a possible contempt. Because it is clear, support ama order. Now when the order ne so I mean it is contempt. Contempt of court in so there. Say ne etumi kono. Ye nim so wunya lawyer bia wo beka wan asem ye ama odia because contempt of court is actually a very big deal. You who say that be court akasa won bese obetie. Inti na ya na contempt of court no judges ni mfe ndi agro. Na judge na wo di asem no your friend Justice Charles Wilson. Justice Charles Wilson. Ono na no wodi asem no. But you see, asem we ni na no. Ase esipen. At the end of the day, ubehun say nipa kra wodi asem no ekọ court no. Wono na ubehun say later MPP for beba be kase wo mo asake na mo suspended from the party. Because these political parties now they see say we drag the chairman and now you drag the executives to quarter. Women say that these political parties themselves have processes, they have ways of solving their matters into so what the court quarter naturally say in a way no you are selling out. It's the same way over say melodies mekan e be ko echi be ba no be hu say ni ba kwa wo dey asem no court na in same way ni na aba ya nhwe ya chema wuntumi mu nya ye be che omo contempt no asem no ye kokan wie na ebe todin ya say nipa kro no obo say bia suspension letter ebe ba ma no ati ase but in same way ni na I don't understand. MP no ye bisa no asem a wakan ni Otek FM mbese me read nsem a wakan MP no say as far as I am concerned, the elections are over, and those who think they can use the court to frustrate all of us are fighting a lost battle because apart from the party, nobody can tell us to rerun the elections. As someone MP no work no. Wasi, some people are dumb, referring to his contender, JB Dankwa, Nipakono de no. Wasi, some people are dumb. They don't understand election rules. If you are dumb and don't understand the rules, don't say things you do not know. As the JB is just wasting everybody's time. He knew he was going to lose the election, which is why he sponsored his people to go to court. It's your also MP, no nasema wakaniba. You see, you are an MP. You are supposed to know the laws. Mona mo making laws no. Sabi untumi making laws no, and then refuse to obey the laws. I mean, it is not right. Is it true? Say court had the injunction to election too, so no, you people still went on to hold the election even though court had an injunction on the election. Is that true? If it's true, then clearly you are not even living up to the name of an MP, because when I'm making laws, no say who MP are we making law? Be so bebuso. Me am tell me maybe now be say me ba bebuso. Because injunction, your injunction said the injunction at election is why don't hold the election. It's as simple as that. How come say you did injunction at election so you still go on and hold the election? It is clear. It is a clear case of contempt. It's in the youngest and answer ever caught. But the same way, anyway, young hair, if you announce what can send me not and also what than the contempt. But young hair, won't tell me your comment box material for me. That's it.